Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening or good night, depending on your location, you're welcome to live class. This is the Igbo tutor. Wherever you are, we expect you to begin to join this class now as we meet as usual together to learn Igbo language free of charge. So wherever you are, expect you to begin to join now, especially if you're a member of the channel. And let's begin to do this as we have always done it. So, where are you? Where are you? Begin to join now. Begin to join now. Begin to join now. We're expecting you to be on this class by now. The earlier we join, the better for all of us. That will enable us to cover more ground. So, please, wherever you are, you're a member of the channel, do well to join now and let's learn together. It's good to come together every Saturday this way to learn Igbo language. So wherever you are, I'm expecting you to join up now. And as you join, please hit the like button, drop your greeting. Sherry Mango, you are the early bird today. Welcome to class. No, Sherry Mango, where are the rest? Please do well to drop your greetings as you join the class. That way we'll know you are around, welcome you officially, we'll mark your register, and then we share as a family of Igbo learners. So let's come on board. Sherry Mango, you're welcome. First to be in the class today. Appreciate that. There we go. Okay, I show Yibi. Who else is here? Joy Onyebuchi, you're welcome to class. All right. Appreciate you guys for coming early today. Yeah, appreciate that. At least that puts me in the mood. Yeah, Mimi B. Wow. For a long time, Mimi B has not come to class. This is great. Mimi B, you are welcome. It appears you've been watching our replay. You've not joined live class for a long time. Mimi B, can you give us a shout out? Oh, yeah, please help me to welcome Mimi B. You guys, Joy and Sherry Mango, can you help me to say no to Mimi B? She has not been in class for a long time. She has not been in live class for a long time. It appears she used to watch a replay. Can you help me welcome Mimi B to class today? Sherry Mango and Joy, do help me give a shout out to Mimi B. Yes, Mimi B, this is for you. We are happy to see you in class today. Yes, we are glad you are here with us today. Okay. Daalụ ndewo nwaanyị ọma. Good woman. We'll be missing you all the while. So it's good you are here today. I think I'm fired up to start this class now. But I'm going to wait till it is 5 minutes. This is about 3 minutes. So I can see if any other person can join before the class begins in earnest. I want to keep to the 1 hour time. It's good we come on time so we can just cover the hour without dragging it further. So the earlier we come to class, the better for us. We know our time already. Just block off the schedule, make time for this. And when it is time, just come in. You can be sure you'll meet me here. So if there if there's not going to be any class for any reason, you will be notified. But if there is no notice of cancellation, you can be sure I'll be here by 2 p.m. 1300 GMT. So the earlier you join me, the better for all of us. Okay, we have 4 minutes already passed. 1 more minute to begin the class fully. So wherever you are, if you are seeing me now from any part of the world and you are interested in learning Igbo language just in a live setting, you do well to join our channel membership. That gives you access to our live class. By the way, we also have, as part of our benefits here, free ebook every month. Let me ask, have you gotten your ebook for this month? I just uploaded a new ebook for every one of us. If you have gotten your own, if you have downloaded your ebook for this month, Please indicate. Say done. All right. Yes, gotten my book. Yes, please type that in the chat now. Let me be sure. If you have gotten your book for this month, in fact, the book is on the topic we are treating now. If you've gotten your book from channel membership page, please indicate, I've got mine. Put it in the chat now. Let me see that. If you have gotten your book for this month, say, yes, I've got my book. If you have not, say, I have not. And tell me the reason why you have not gotten the book. Yes, I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your response on this. You have gotten your free ebook for this month. Indicate. If not, indicate and tell me why you have not. Yes, I'm waiting for your response on this. Oh, I've not because I was busy. Okay. But okay, of course, you know how to get the book. So, Sherry Mango, I don't think you have any problem with that. You know how to get your book. Who else is giving me a response on this? Joy, have you gotten your book? Not yet. Okay. But Joy, you know how to get your book, right? I don't think you have any problem with that. How about Mimi B? Have you been getting your books? I was also busy. Very well. Mimi B, did you know how to get your ebook, your free ebook for the month? Have you gotten yours? Do you know how to get it? Please indicate. Mimi B, I want to know if you know how to get your free ebook for the month, or if you have gotten it already. Mimi B, please let me know. And those who are joining the class, indicate you are present, and let drop your greetings. Give us a shout out so we know you are here. A, okay, Mimi B, you are A. Is it that you have gotten it, or you are yet to get it? You say A. Have you gotten it? Because you wrote I don't know whether you want to say I know how to get it, but you have not gotten it. Have you gotten your book for the month? Mimi B, please make it clear. Gotten? Not yet gotten. I know how to get it very well, very well. So please do that after the class. Very important. I have not gotten it yet. Very well. Okay. Nake, you're welcome to class. Dewo, please don't forget to hit the like button beside my channel name. Don't forget to share this if you can. And don't forget to participate in the class fully. This is a live class where everybody have to participate. So make effort. These classes are meant to test your knowledge of Igbo language, measure your progress so far, and also teach you further and equip you better to respond to live scenarios, live issues. Watching videos in the channel is good, but in doing that, you have nobody to correct you. You have nobody to guide you. You don't know whether you're getting it right or wrong. But in a live class, you have access to the teacher. You can ask questions and get instant responses. You can learn from other people. So that is the difference between live class and watching videos in the channel. So first, I want to also thank all of you who has remained channel members of this channel for the past. This is the third month we began the full channel membership. Appreciate all of you. You are the reason why I'm always here. If you are not there, I'm not here. So God bless you all, Chukwu Goziegi, for keeping us here, for your interest in the Igbo language, for dedication, for dropping in your money every time, every month. So I appreciate you guys. And with time here, Nake, you know how to get your book now? The book is already in the channel membership page or PEC page. So you know how to get it, right? Nake, do you know how to get your book? I believe you do. If you don't, please let me know so I can guide you on how to do that. We begin the class right now. Haven't said all that. We're already doing the new series on Igbo feeling. In fact, the book is also on the feeling. So we began this new series last week, and we began on a good note, but we didn't conclude it very well last week because of network issues. Then I was on leave, so the place where I am, I'm not very sure of network, but I managed to do something so that we don't have a vacuum. But today I'm back to my normal base where I have a more guaranteed network. So we are welcome back. Last week we began the new series on feeling, And we stopped at this feeling of Obi, Uto, cheerful heart. That's where we stopped last week in this feeling expression. For those of you who were not around last week, we stopped at feeling cheerful in the heart, feeling happy, feeling thankful, cheerful and happy. This is Obi Uto or Obi Ekele. I believe you are seeing the screen now. Obi Uto or Obi Ekele. Sorry, I think I I have done something wrong. I click off. I cancelled the. Let me share it again. This is where we stopped last week, and it is Obi Uto or Obi Ekele. That's where we stopped, and we said Obi Uto is a cheerful heart. We gave example in the on this in the sentence and with Obi Uto, and we gave other examples. Okay, because the way we are going about this is that we have the one we will display on screen, but we'll use them to make further sentences to test our ability to use them properly and our understanding of how they can be applied in other sentence scenarios. So we will display what we have on the screen and use it to make further sentences. So we continue from where we stopped last week. Let me go to the first one for today as we move on in this feeling expression. What do we have first today? What we have first today is a feeling of this. This is what we have. Okay? What is this feeling? Look at it very well. Obi damba. Obi damba. Depression or being depressed. Obi ida mba. And in the sentence we say, "Enwere m obi damba." I am depressed. Okay? What if I say he or she is depressed? How do we write that in Igbo language? Hit the chat and write it now. He or she is depressed. Hit the chat. Write it in Igbo language. He or she is depressed. Let's go. Write it in the chat now. Write it in the chat now. Okay? Let's go there. Write in the chat. He or she is depressed. Waiting for you. Who is hitting the chat first? Let's go. Right. He or she is depressed. Are we there? Let's go. He is depressed. Let's write it in the chat right away. Nake is in. Okay, who else is writing that? Nake is in. Who else is coming in with this? He or she is depressed. Let's go. Who is writing now? Joy. Joy has written. Joy is in. Nake is in. Where are the rest? Mimi B, where are you? Where is, who else is in the class? Cherry Mango, where are you? Okay, maybe is in. Onwero Obi Damba. Excellent. Cherry Mango, where are you? He or she is depressed. He or she is depressed. Cherry Mango, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Please, if you have just joined this class, drop your greetings, say hi, say ndewo, say no, say dalo. You need to write something in the chat. That way, we will know you are around. We'll pick your name. We'll drop your greetings back to you. This is a family of Igbo people. So we want to interact, we want to know you by your name, want to talk to you, want to mention your name as class goes on. So don't just join the class and be silent, drop something. Yes, I was asking about Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango, are you still in the class? Are you still there? Right? He or she is depressed. If you are still there, Sherry Mango. Okay? Are you there? Okay? Okay? I'm waiting for Sherry Mango to respond. Okay, while she's doing that, let me respond to those who have written. Let me see the different what Nake wrote. Nake wrote or that is the difference. I want to check. ọ nwere obi ịda mba. Okay? Why Joy wrote o nwere obi ịda mba. I want to make a difference between all those ones. Mimi wrote o nwere obi ịda mba. Which one is correct among them? It is o, not o. So Nake is not o. Why is this so? The verb nwere has heavy vowels in it, which is e. E is a heavy vowel together with all the other o, and o with dots under them. They are they together with I, o, u without dot under them. They are heavy vowels. Excuse me. Those ones without dot under them, including a, which is e, are heavy vowels. So when they appear in the verb after the pronoun will agree with them. It will be in the same class with them. So O is to be used, not O with dot under it. It's going to be O without dot under. Omachi, welcome to class. So that is how to know whether you have to use O or O. So in this case, the verb after the pronoun contains heavy vowel, which is A. So the pronoun must agree with the heavy vowel and it will be O without dot under. If the verb that follows has light vowels, you will use O, that is O, with dot under to agree with the vowels. It's called vowel agreement. Nkwekọrịta ụda ume. That's how we will call it. Nkwekọrịta ụda ume. Vowel agreement. I hope that is clear enough. Okay, let's say something else. Okay, I believe that is okay. Did everybody understand what I explained on difference between when to use or and when to use o to start a sentence? Is it clear? Can you say yes if you are clear with what I explained? Just say yes. Or a, say sim a ma ọ bụrụ na o doro gị anya. Mgbe a ga-ewere o bido ahịrịokwu maọbụ ọ bido ahịrịokwu. O doro gị anya nke ọma. Mimi B say a, yes. What about the rest? A, okay, Nake, that's fine. That's great. So let's get this down. Go for the next filling. Okay, we are going for the next filling now. What do we have next? So you can see that what we are learning is not only the things that are in the display. We are trying to also master sentence formation and then sharpen our skills in all other Igbo usage. That's the importance of being a live class. Right. No, Dr. Ablahi, welcome to class. Don't forget to hit the like button for this class. Don't forget that. Don't forget to share if you can share. We'll appreciate that so that other people can get, knowledge of this. Now let's go. This is what we have on display. Feeling of dizziness or being dizzy. We call it ajo. Please mind the pronunciation. It's not ajo. If you say ajo, ajo is the clothes we use to carry load, the pad on the head that we put on the head to put load on top. That is ajo. So be careful of the sound you are giving it. In this case, it is ajo. High, low. Ajo. Ajo. I hope that is clear. So that is dizziness. Dizziness or being dizzy. Okay, let's go. The sentence we have there is aju na-ebu or ọ na-ebu m ajụ. What is the difference between the two sentences on display? Aju na-ebu or ọ na-ebu m ajụ. Okay, the first one is saying I'm dizzy, I'm feeling dizzy. The other one is saying ọ na-ebu m ajụ. It is causing me dizziness. That is the technicality there. The first one is I'm feeling dizzy. Aju na-ebu m. Second sentence say ọ na-ebu m ajụ. It's causing me dizziness. Okay, that is different between the two. Now let's do our practical. Let's use it, this aju, for another sentence. Okay. Dizziness is dangerous. Dizziness is dangerous. Dizziness is dangerous. Can you write that in Igbo? Write it in Igbo. Dizziness is dangerous. Let's go. Of course, let me see how we go about it, but this is simple. Mm. Dizziness is dangerous. Who is writing that sentence for us? Hit the chat now. Hit the chat button. For those of you trying to join our live class, please know that you can't join this live class. You can't have access unless you're a member of this channel. So the first thing to do is to join channel membership. That gives you access to our live class every Saturday, and also benefit of having free ebook every month once. Okay, and you can also have direct access to me if need be for further assistance. Who is writing this sentence? Dizziness is dangerous. Who is writing it? Write in the chat now. What is holding you back? Dizziness is dangerous. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Who shoots first? Yes, dizziness is dangerous. Let's go. Who is shooting first? What is holding you back? Hit the chat. Write this Igbo sentence. Dizziness is dangerous. Okay, Sherry Mango is one taking the lead. Aju di izendo. Okay, Mimi B. Aju bu izendo. Okay, we're going. Any other option? Dizziness is dangerous. Okay, let's go. Dizziness is dangerous. Any other option? These two people are writing almost the same thing. Joy. Aju di izendo. Okay. Let me see. What are the rest saying? Nake, what do you say to this? Who will solve this problem for us? Oh, yeah, the efforts are fine. Dr. Blind, what do you say? Let's go. Dizziness is dangerous. Okay, who is coming with another option here? These three guys are all mentioning Izendo, which is fine. Okay, who is saying something else? Sherry Mango, Mimi B, Joy have all said similar things. Who is saying something different from this? Let's go. I'm waiting for Nake. I'm waiting for Dr. Nake is in. Ajudi is in almost the same thing. Dr. Blahi, what do you say? If you don't have idea, say Amaim, Amaghi, Amaim, okay? But you have to end it with M, which is talking about me. I don't know, Amaim, so that we can move on. If you have no idea, no idea. That's okay. So, but I don't agree with you guys. I think I have a different opinion on this, and this is my opinion. Ajo. Mm, mm, mm. Ajo day. Okay. Okay. This is my own opinion on this. Ajo Diego. Okay. Not Ajo the Izendo. Izendo actually is danger. Okay. And a precarious situation. But for this sentence, you can't say as Ajo the Izendo. Izendo is a noun. Okay. On its own. It's not an adjective. It's a noun. Izendo. Okay. So it's ego is the actual thing to use here. Andrew Diego. You know, dizziness is dangerous. Andrew Diego, not the Izendo. Izendo is a noun and not an adjective. All right. Do you agree with me? If you agree with me, say yes. If you don't agree with me, say no. Let's know who have it, whether it's I or nay. Let's go. If you agree with me, say yes. If you don't agree, say no. Let's know who have it, whether it's I or nay. What do you say? Yes. Drop your response. Drop your response. Why? Go fetch the next one. Okay. Sherry Mango agree with me. He has said, aye. So who else is saying something else? Who is disagreeing with me? Who is disagreeing with me on this? So let's talk now. Okay, maybe have agreed with me. Great one. Who else is agreeing with me? Who else is agreeing with me on this matter? Only two people agree with me. The rest seem to be saying no. What are you saying? What do you say? Nake. Okay, Dr. Blahi. What about Joy? Do you agree with me? Let's talk. Oh, let's settle this matter. Oh. No disagreement. Dr. Blahi has said no disagreement. Of course, you don't even have any opinion before, so you must agree with me. Okay, I'm waiting for Nake and Joy to say something about this. Okay, now on the board, on the screen, is a new feeling idea, feeling expression here, which is feeling of envy or envious. Okay, Joy, thank you. Okay, feeling of envy. We call envy anya ofo. Anya ofo. Of course, you know that anya is eye, ofo is bad eye, bad eye. Anya ofo. Some of you in this class have not actually hit the like button for this live class. I don't know why. Nake said mba. What is your reason for saying mba when I say Anju Diego? Is it you still believe it should be Anju Dizendo? Izendo is a noun, not an adjective. In this case, we're talking about adjective to qualify Anju. Okay, you can say Anju Dizendo. Okay, so is Anju Diego. Something that is ego is fearful, dangerous. Okay, but you can, when it is now, when you are using ego for now, you can use either ego or izendo. You can alternate the two if you want to use them for now. But if it's adjective, you can't use izendo. It can only be a noun. Okay, so Nake, you have to agree with me on this one. All right. Now we have another thing on the board, which is anyaofo. Okay, which is envy or envious. The sentence is onwere anyaofo. She is envious. Onwere anyaofo. Okay. Our sentence, alternative sentence is envy is not good. Envy is not good. That is our sentence challenge. Let's go. Envy is not good. Let's write it in the chat. Let's go there. Shoot, 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 shoot. Envy is not good. Let's write. Drop it now. Who is shooting first? Envy is not good. Let's go there. Shoot that in the chat now in Igbo language. Envy is not good. Let's go. Mango is here. Sherry Mango. Okay, that's good. What are the rest saying? Sherry Mango has taken the lead. She has taken the lead. Who else is coming in? Envy is not good. Challenge your brain, challenge your understanding, challenge your ability to write Igbo sentences, to understand Igbo sentences. Envy is not good. Let's go there. Write it in the chat in Igbo language. Maybe B is in. Wow, maybe B. Great work. Great work. But annual four should not be together. Oh, you can only join it with a hyphen, just as I did in my sentence on the board. It's a compound word. So you can join it with a hyphen, but don't join it together. Okay? Let's go. I got Sherry Mango. I got Mimi B. I got Nake. Who else is coming in for this? Who else is coming in for this? Omach is in. Okay. Wow, that's great. Oh, Omachi, I was thinking you are no more in the class again when I'm not hearing from you again. Good to know you are still here. Mimi B is in. Joy is in. Great work. Great response. Great people. Where is Dr. Blahi? You are the only one I'm waiting for. What do you say? Envy is not good. What is Dr. Abdullahi saying about this? Is it no idea again? I don't think so. Dr. Abdullahi, fire it now. What do you say? Envy is not good. I repeat, those of you who have not hit the like button beside my channel name, you are not fair to your teacher. Oh, you are not fair, except you are not learning anything. If you are learning something here, appreciate your teacher now. I didn't say give me extra money. I only say hit the like button or share this live class. That's all now. It doesn't cost you anything to do, except you are saying you are wasting your time here. You are not learning anything. Okay? That is the only reason why you cannot hit the like button. If not, why not? Okay? Even after the class, when this video is uploaded, you can rewatch, still make a comment if you want. Yeah, Dr. Blahi, I've not heard you. I want to go on. What do you say? Dr. Blahi, I'm still waiting for you. I've not heard from you. Let me review the answers. Joy, Anyaofo. Joy, did you put you in dot under you? Okay, some of you may not have your Igbo keyboard. Otherwise, Ofo should have dot under the U's. Okay, Joy wrote Aboyima, Aboyoma, Aboyoma. That is not good. It shouldn't be Aboy. It should be Ade, not Aboy. And then it's not Oma, it's Mma. Maybe you wrote better Anyofo, Adeyema, except that your Anyofo should not be together. Otherwise, your sentence is correct. Nake Anyofo, Adeyema, excellent. Omachi, Anyofo, Odiroma. That is also correct, but that is a local parlance, a local intonation, not the central one. It's not Odiroma. Though, if you say it, anybody will understand you. But even your Odiroma is not perfect. You are Ro should be R-O, not R-U. Talking to Omachi now. You can say Odiro, not Odiru. You wrote Odiru, R-U. That's not fair. Mimi B, annual for the excellent. Joy, annual for the excellent. This is good. So let's go. I didn't hear from Dr. Abdullahi. I don't know what happened. Let's put this down and go to the next one and see what we've got in the next filling. What do we have here? What do we have here? What we have right now. This is feeling of fearlessness, bold. Okay, Dr. Blahi, that's correct. You got it well. This lady is bold and fearless. They are tojo, atoyojo, enweyojo. Okay, fearless. So the sentence I have on the board is Adim atojo. Adim atojo. Please listen to my reading and pronunciations, because you are not only here to look at what is here, you need to learn and listen to the sound of the pronunciations as I pronounce them, understand how to pronounce them correctly, because sounds can change the meaning of Igbo words. Very important. So, Adim atojo, I'm not fearful, or I'm fearless. Adim atojo. Okay? Word of ujo ade atom. That's another way of saying it. Ujo ade atom. Fear is not catching me. Adim atojo, I'm not afraid. They are the same thing. Fear is not catching me. I'm fearless. I'm not afraid. Fear is not catching me. They are the two sides of the same coin, whichever way you say it. Okay? Let's see what to say. Okay? The girl is fearless. The girl is fearless. That is our sentence. Let's go. The girl, of course, you can see the girl on the screen. The girl is fearless. How do we say that? Write that in the chat now. The girl is fearless. Let's go. How do we write that in Igbo? The girl is fearless. Yes, shoot that now. Shoot the chat. The girl is fearless. Ngwa, let's go. Dee ya ọsịsọ, dee ya ọsịsọ, dee ya ọsịsọ. Ka onye bụ ụzọ edere anyị ya? Who is writing it for us first? Kedu onye bụ ụzọ edere anyị ya? Sherry Mango is taking the lead. Oh, that's great. Sherry Mango is taking the lead today. She's fearless, honestly. Ngwano, let's go. Sherry Mango is in. The girl is fearless. Nake is following. Nake is following. The girl is fearless. Let's go. Sherry Mango in. Nake in. Who is following? Who is taking third position? Sherry Mango is fearless. That's why she's taking the lead as a lady. Okay, I believe Nake is going to dethrone her very soon. That is, if Joy will agree with that. And Mimi B too is on fire today. They seem not to be giving any space for the men. Okay, okay, that's good. Mimi B is in already. Who else is coming in? Joy, where are you? Omachi, where are you? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Let's go there. Omachi is in already. Remaining Mimi B, remaining Joy and Dr. Abdullahi, those I can remember their name here, those who are responding to our interactions. What do you say? What do you say? I think this class is not good enough. That's why some of you don't want to hit the like button. Maybe I'm not doing enough. What do I do? Okay. How much is in? How much is in? Who else is in? Joy is in. What about Dr. Abdullahi? Any idea? Dr. Abdullahi, any idea? Drop your response. Drop your response. Waiting for Dr. Abdullahi. I do hope I'm going to get Dr. Abdullahi's response as I begin to review the answer. Sherry Mango say, Nwanyị adịghị atụ ụjọ. Nwanyị. Sherry Mango is like you don't have the Igbo keyboard. Am I right? Sherry Mango. Please confirm before I complain about your writing. Do you have the Igbo keyboard? Sherry Mango. Do you have the Igbo keyboard? Yes or no? Because I want to comment on your writing. Oh. I do, but it's on another phone. All right. So I give it to you. Okay. Nwanyị adịghị atụ ụjọ. The only difference is that I said the girl. That should be nwanyị ahụ. Nwanyị ahụ. The. That ahụ is for the. We're talking about a particular lady. So that's the only thing you should have put there. Nwanyị ahụ. That's the only thing you missed there. I think Nnake got it very correctly. Nwanyị ahụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. Excellent. Okay. Maybe B. Nwa agbọghọ ahụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. That's also correct. But the only difference is that I didn't emphasize the age of the girl, or I just say nwanyị ahụ. I just say a woman. I didn't say whether it's a young woman or old woman. But Mimi B, you are directing your response to a young lady. A young lady. Okay, a young lady. So Nwabo is a young lady, a young girl. So that's the difference between your response. That young girl is not afraid. Okay, so I give it to you. Ọmachi nwanyị bụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. No, the way you put bo, what you should put there is ahụ. Nwanyị ahụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. That's all. Joy. Nwanyị adịghị atụ ụjọ. That's the only thing that's missing there. Should be nwanyị ahụ, the girl, that woman, the woman. Sherry Mango. I do know. Okay, response. Not very free, Dr. Blind. Okay, I know sometimes you are busy in the hospital attending to patients, but still listening to us. That's a big sacrifice for the love of Igbo language. So we get that very clear. And that settles this. Move on to the next one. What do we have here? What do we have here? Let's go there. What else do we have? What do we have in the next filling? Let's go. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Sir, what is the correct one? Oh, I've already said the correct one. Look at what Nnake wrote. He wrote, Nwanyị ahụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. That is the correct one. Except you want me to also write it again. I don't mind writing it if you want me to write it. Nwanyị ahụ adịghị, at least to be a reference for everybody in case you are confused. Nwanyị ahụ adịghị atụ ụjọ. That is the answer. That is the correct one. I've written that. Okay, we have the next one. Greed, feeling of greed. Anyukwu, anyukwu, big eye. Can see the man's eye is very big. Okay, on the board we have onwere anyukwu or obu onye anyukwu. What is the difference between the two sentences? Let's look at it critically. Onwere anyukwu, he has greed. Obu onye anyukwu is a greedy man. That's the difference between the two sentences. Onwere anyukwu, he has greed as a character. Obu onye anyukwu is a greedy man. He is a greedy person. He is a greedy person. Both of them are still, he's greedy at the end of the day. But just for the sake of perfection, onwere anyukwu, he has greed. Obu onye anyukwu is a greedy person. Okay? In case you want to make distinction between the two. I hope that is clear enough. Is that clear? Please indicate. Say yes if it is clear. Let's go to our sentence now. Okay? Okay? Greed will kill him. Greed will kill him. Greed will kill him. Last time. Greed will kill him. That is the sentence. Let's go. Shoot it now in the chat. Who is doing that first? Sherry Mango, you're always leading. I hope you're going to lead on this one. Greed will kill him. Let's write that in Igbo language. Let's go. Greed will kill him. Let's go there. Shoot now. Who is shooting first? Greed will kill him. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Greed will kill him. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shoot in the chat right now. Greed will kill him. Greed will kill him. Yes. Cherry Mango is in again first. Yes. Followed by Mimi B. Mimi B, you prepared to come today. We no joke at all. Okay. Okay. Joy is following third position. Who else is coming in here? Who else? Sherry Mango first. These ladies are not giving men chance today. Now, wow. They just pushing Nake down, down, down. Is it network that is delaying Nake's response? Okay. Okay. Greed will kill him. Wow. These guys are smart today. Oh. Dr. Blahi. Wow. I like that. Dr. Blahi is in. Wow. How about Omachi? Where are you? Omachi. These people are leaving you behind, though. They are all hot. Yes, Omachi, I'm waiting for you. Yes, any other person in the class, if you know you are in the class, I'm not mentioning your name. It is because you are not responding to questions. You are not dropping a comment. That's why I'm not picking your name. If you know you are in the class and you are listening to us, you've not said anything, just say hello, say ndewo. Let me know you are in the class. Let's say why is not here today. So at least I can mention your name, I can ask you questions, I can connect with you. That is the beauty of a live class. Okay? Omachi, where are you? Where is Omachi? Omachi is in. Okay. Oh, Omachi, what did you write? I don't like that. Is that what did you write? Is it Gafuya? Gafuya? No. Why did you write that? You try, but it's not correct. Let's begin to mark now. Sherry mango, anyuku, gaebu, yeah. Oh, it's not gaebu, it's not EBU. No, it's EGBU. That is what it should be, Sherry mango. Mimi B, anyuku, ga ebu ya, correct. Joy, anyukwu ga-egbu ya, correct. Nnake, anyukwu ga-egbu ya, correct. Dr. Blind, anyukwu ga-gbuo ya. It should be ga-egbu ya, not ga-gbuo ya. Ga-egbu ya, not ga-gbuo ya. Dr. Blind, ga-egbu. So you change your buo to EGBU. Remove the O at the back. That will be fine. Omachi, anyukwu ga-egbu ya, correct. You guys are too much. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. What do we have next? As we drive home small, small, let's see what we have next. Let's see what we have next. And that is this. This is what we have. Happiness, feeling of happiness. Obi aṅụrị, that's the way it's pronounced. Obi aṅụrị. Obi aṅụrị. Obi aṅụrị. It's also pronounced, expressed as ọṅụ nke obi. Ọṅụ nke obi. Or simply ọṅụ or aṅụrị. They are all part of it. The sentences you have on the screen are enwere m obi aṅụrị. I am happy. Or I have joy in my heart. Those of you trying to join this live class, please know that you can't join this live class unless you're a member of this channel. What you do first is to join channel membership. Look at the channel name. You see join, a button that is titled join beside the channel name. Hit the button and do the necessary things, do your payment and join channel membership and prepare to join us next Saturday in this live class. That is very important. Please do that now if you want to join our live class next Saturday. Thank you for doing that. Email. Okay, we have enwere m obi aṅụrị. I am happy or I have joy in the heart. That is what that means. Enwere m obi aṅụrị. Okay, what if I say my heart is filled with joy? My heart is filled with joy. We even have joy in the house. Joy. My heart is filled with joy. How do we write that in Igbo? I hope it's not too long. My heart is filled with joy. Let me see who can get that right. Let's shoot that in the chat. Let's shoot that in the chat. My heart is filled with joy. Let's go. Write that in the chat. Who will shoot that first? Who will do that first? My heart is filled with joy. Those of you who have not hit the like button for this live class, I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy with you. I don't know why you. Maybe you don't like my face today. I don't know what I've done to you. Okay. The sentence is my heart is filled with joy. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. My heart is filled with joy. Let's go there. Let's go there. Who is writing that first? Who is writing that first? My heart is filled with joy. Let's go. Write that now. My heart is filled with joy. Mimi B is in. Mimi B is on fire today. No doubt about that. She prepared come today. Okay. I got you. Who else is coming in? Who else? Mimi B is taking the lead. Who else is writing? My heart is filled with joy. My heart is filled with joy. How much is in? Okay, in that case, in. Okay, my heart is filled with joy. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go. Who else is coming in? I got maybe Omachi has come in and ran away again. Nake is in. Where is Joy? Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Dr. Ablahi? Sherry Mango is in. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Sherry Mango. That's a great effort. Mm-hmm. Omachi is in. Okay, Joy is in. Wow, Joy, that's a great work. That's a great work. You know, I just mentioned so many things. I say you can be on, can be angry, can be obi uto, can be obi angry, ke angry, on, obi uto. I mentioned many things here. So these are great efforts. Dr. Blahi, am I expecting you? Are we expecting? If not, say am I am. Let's begin to mark our script now. Mimi B. Obi m jupụtara aṅụrị. You missed out something there. You could have just put na-aṅụrị. Hmm? Na-aṅụrị. I would have taken that to be right. Obi m jupụtara na-aṅụrị. Okay, that's the only thing you missed there. Na and come on top, then aṅụrị. Then let me also say your aṅụrị is not also correct. Aṅụrị has dot under the dot on top of N. That is aṅụrị. You can see the one I wrote on the board. It had dot on top of N. That is the right alphabet for aṅụrị or on. It's N with dot on top. Nnake wrote, Obi m jupụtara n'afọ ụtọ. No, we're talking about stomach, heart. Why do you take it to stomach now? Your obi cannot be filled with stomach food. No, or stomach joy. No way. So obi m jupụtara na, not afọ ụtọ. You can even say no n'ụtọ. I would have even taken that. Obi m jupụtara n'ụtọ. Not afọ ụtọ. You can't combine the heart with the stomach now. That will be confusion. Okay. Now, Sherry Mango. Obi m jupụtara na aṅụrị. That's fair. Obi m jupụtara na aṅụrị. That's good. Good effort, Sherry Mango. I like that. Okay. Joyce say, Obi m jupụtara n'ọṅụ. That seems to be the most perfect. It's either ọṅụ or aṅụrị. That's good. Obi m jupụtara n'ọṅụ. Ọmachi, obi m na-eju. Obi m na-eju. Na-eju na what now? You didn't complete the sentence. Ọmachi. Okay. Okay. Mimi B, obi m jupụtara na ṅụrị. Oh, Mimi B, it seems something is still missing. You don't need to remove the okay, that should be a typo because the A is not there again in front of N. There should be A. Nanguri. Okay, you've said it's a typo. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So, like we have all said, let me also write my own. Obim. You can also write for short Juru or Juputara. Both are correct. Okay. You can write non. Okay. Or nanguri. Just like I hope I can also write that on well. My alphabet. No. Okay. Obim juru no. You can write it this way. Obim juru n'ọṅụ or obim. This juru is just for short of juputara. Okay, so it's not different. Nangure. Shit, what is this? I don't know. Nangure. Angu. I hope I'm writing the right thing. This computer sometimes is messing one up. Obim juputara nangure. So obim juru n'ọṅụ or obim juputara nangure. Both are correct. Both are correct. Okay. Yeah, maybe I get you. Nangure, that's fine. Both are correct. Right. So these are the marking. Let's go. Pick one more for today and then we wrap it up. The last one for today is this. Okay. This is the last one for today. I go hunger or hungry. Okay. I go. This is not ago. If you say ago, that is just leopard. So don't say ago. It's ago. Draw it longer. Ago, that is hunger. Okay. So the sentence says, ago na gum. I am hungry. Ago na gum. Ago na gum. Okay. Okay. Let's have our sentence now. The sentence is, are you hungry? This one say, I am hungry on the board. But the sentence now is, are you hungry? Are you hungry? That is the sentence, the challenge. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes. Are you hungry? That is the question. Put question mark there. Write that in Igbo language. Are you hungry? Let's go. Shoot it now. Let's go there. Shoot it now. Let's go. Are you hungry? Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Who is taking first position? Are you hungry? The question. Mimi B is in. Mimi B no agree today at all at all. She prepared come well. Okay, Mimi B is in. Who else is following Mimi B? Who is taking second? Sherry Mango is coming second. Who is taking third position today? Who is taking third? Okay, Sherry Mango has run away. Neke is taking second. Abdullahi is in. Sherry Mango is back. Are you hungry? Omachi is in. Wow. Joy is in. These people are hot today. Love this. Love it. Ona the mama no be no. Okay, I think I should start marking. Almost everybody's in. Maybe Agu on Agogi. Excellent. Excellent. Maybe you are too much. Nake says in Ago mbanu. It's not. It's not. It's Ago on Agogi. Now, Dr. Blahi, Ago Nagogi. Okay, you should put or Nagogi, and your G should be separate because the G stands for you. That you are you. That you is G, so it should stand alone. So Dr. Blahi should be Ago or Nagogi. Or Nagogi. Okay. Okay. But that's a good effort. Sherry Mango, Inwera Ago. You have hunger? That's what you ask. You have hunger? Inwera Ago. That is what Sherry Mango said. But that is not exactly what I wanted. Ago on Agogi. Are you hungry? Okay. Inwera Ago. You don't just have a hunger as a property. So that's why we don't say Inwera Ago. Omachi, agụọ na-agụ gị. Correct. Excellent. Joy, agụọ na-agụ gị. Excellent. Nnake, agụọ na-agụ gị. Correct this time around. Dr. Blahi, I don't know what you wrote last there. But this has been very fine. I love this class today. It is participatory and think it's good enough. Everybody play their own role. But if you have not hit the like button, you are not fair to me today. Please do that now as we round up this class. And if you think the class of today have been very impactful, you've learned something today, can you help me to give me a shout out in the chat there? Just give us a thumbs up there, give us your emoji, clap for us, do whatever you want to do. If you think you have learned something today, go ahead and do something in the chat. Give us a thumbs up there. Say thank you, dalo, email, maka ụbọchị taa. Thanks for today. Say something there as we round up today. And if you have not hit the like button beside my channel name, do that now. Not the one you are doing on the chat, beside my channel name. Hit the like button. But in the chat now, indicate that today's class has been impactful. Say email, give me a thumbs up, do something there to indicate that you enjoyed today's class. And also, please, I love the timing of today. Those who came in early, I really appreciate them. Sherry Mango and the rest. This is what I want. Let's come to class at the exact time so we can do what we want to do at the exact time and go and do some other things. Don't just come whenever you like, just walk into the class. Time is 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Let's maintain this time. Let's come at the appropriate time and learn together and move out and do other things because we all have things to do. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you, Omachi. Thank you, Sherry Mango. Thank you, Joy Ndewo. Thank you, Dr. Blahi. Thank you, Nake, for all your contributions today. It has been a very lovely class. I love you guys. I want to see you again, complete and more, next Saturday. If you've not gotten your free book for the month, go to your channel PEC. Click on the PEC. When you go click membership, my homepage, click on PEC, go straight down and look for your free ebook for the month. Click on it. The download link is there. Hit it, download your book, and confirm you have done that in our Telegram group, the Igbo family. Confirm that I've got my book. Put your comment there. I didn't see a here today, so I appreciate you guys. See you. Anyị ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. Ka emesịa.